Do you have a kettlebell? Have you searched for kettlebell workouts? You found the workouts but not sure which one is more effective. So in this video, we will look at 5 effective kettlebell exercises that can be added to your workout routines and can be easily done at home. Hello everyone, my name is Sam and I'm a physiotherapist working in the National Health Service in UK. Welcome to my channel PhysioZen, where we talk about managing muscle, bone and joint conditions through exercises, exercise how-tos and Pilates. Now if you're new here, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified about the new videos. In this video, we will be looking at how to use a single kettlebell to improve your total body mobility, strength and conditioning. Kettlebell is portable, it's easy to use and it comes in different weights to suit your fitness capabilities. Kettlebell workouts are dynamic and great to include in your home workout routines. They are a great addition to your HIIT workouts, they improve your strength, conditioning, they improve the tone of your muscles and overall improves your fitness and general health. So let's check out 5 of the most effective kettlebell exercises for a total body workout. Number 1 exercise is squats. We are all aware that squat is a great lower body exercise. It is easy, you can add weights and there are lots of variations to the same exercises. If we add a kettlebell weight, then we are loading the muscles, which builds up the muscle mass by adding resistance and also improves your tone. The trick is to have consistency and improve as you get better at it. Adding upper body twist to a squat is a good way of working the whole body to improve the tone, mobility and conditioning. The first exercise we are going to look at is a squat and a twist. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. This is a normal squat. So hold the kettlebell in your hand, bend your knees and go closer to the ground as much as you can. Keep your back fairly straight and increase the bend in your knees and shift the whole body weight on your heels. Feel the burn in your quads. This also works on your hands, your glutes and your calf muscles. As you start straightening your body to return to the start position, twist your body to one side. This works on your abdominals, your quadratus lumborum, your obliques and your upper body muscles such as lats, deltoids, biceps, triceps, etc. Brace your abdominals, breathe in, breathe out as you finish your positions. Keep alternating as you squat and include the twists on both sides. Lunge is a great lower body exercise that includes core, quads, hams, glutes and calf muscles. Walking lunge is a very good dynamic movement that gives you a moving element to otherwise a very strenuous exercise. The next exercise is a walking lunge. Hold the kettlebell in your left hand and start your walking lunge with right leg in front. Sink down, keeping your body straight, abs and your glutes braced. If you're struggling with balance, then ensure there is a gap between the 2 legs and it's wide enough to keep you safe. Keep your back straight, hold for a few seconds and then swing the kettlebell round to the right hand and lead with your left leg. Keep alternating between the right and the left, which includes cross-body muscles, which is effective and functional to improve the strength, tone and fitness in your lower body muscles as well as your core muscles. This is a fun exercise as compared to a static lunge. Kettlebell swing is one of my favorites for a quick morning HIIT workout. This is an effective exercise as you work your lower body, upper body, core muscles and back stabilizers. The next exercise we are going to look at is the kettlebell swing. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and kettlebell in your hands in front of your body. Half squat and swing the kettlebell in between your legs as you come to a standing position. Raise your arms in front of your body parallel to the ground and then raise them overhead for upper body work. Remember to squeeze your bottom muscles, your glutes, and keep your back straight as you come to the standing position. Bend your knees halfway and bring the kettlebell towards your groin area in between the knees. Remember, momentum is crucial for this exercise. You are working on hands, quads, adductors, glutes, core, biceps, trapezius, deltoids, back stabilizers, all the upper body muscles. This is an amazing and a quick full body blast exercise. Deadlift is a common exercise for your lower body and back muscles. If we add weight and if we do this exercise in the correct form, this is a very good exercise to improve your overall strength. And adding a raise to this exercise again improves your upper body and lower body strength and conditioning together. The next exercise we're going to do is a kettlebell deadlift and raise. Stand with your feet hip width apart. Hinge from your hips in such a way your back is straight and the bottom is sticking out. Brace your core muscles and keep your pelvis in neutral position. The main muscles worked in this exercise is your back, hams, quads, calves and glutes. As you come back to a neutral position, add a raise with your right arm to work your deltoids, biceps and your pec muscles. Alternate with the other side. This includes the major, upper body as well as lower body muscles, thus giving you a total body workout for best results. Kettlebell is a flexible weight to load your core muscles. This exercise is a good exercise to work on your upper as well as lower abdominal muscles. Last but not the least, the kettlebell core blaster. Lie down on your mat with knees bent. Hold the kettlebell in both hands. Sit up with the kettlebell close to your chest in an upright position. Start twisting to incorporate Russian twist to use your oblique muscles. Do a round of left and right twists and then lie down and repeat for best benefits. Breathe in and out. Brace your core when you're doing this exercise. It is a good core blaster. You can also lift your legs off the mat to challenge yourself to the next level. So hope you had a good workout with your kettlebell. If you like this video, hit that like button and comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you check out these other videos. This is PhysioZen. I am Sam. See you in the next one.